Hello friends, I'm Aastha and today I'm going to talk about rational numbers. In the previous lecture, I've talked about the properties of addition in rational numbers, and today I'm going to talk about properties of subtraction in rational numbers, properties of multiplication in rational numbers, and properties of division in rational numbers. First property of subtraction in rational number is closure property. This property says that if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d is also a rational number. This is called closure property of subtraction. It means that if there are any two rational numbers, then the result that we will get after subtracting them will also be a rational number. One example is given: 2 by 9 minus 4 by 3. We will take the LCM, that is 9, and we got the result, that is minus 10 by 9. The result that we got is also a rational number. Second property is commutative property. Subtraction of rational number is not commutative. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d is not equal to c by d minus a by b. It means that if we will change the position of the rational numbers, then we will not get the equal result, we will get the different results. As we can see the example, 3 by 5 minus 2 by 4 is not equal to 2 by 4 minus 3 by 5. We will first calculate the left hand side question, that is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 4. We will take the LCM, that is 20, and after calculating this I got 2 by 20, whereas in right hand side I got the result, that is minus 2 by 20. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Third property is associative property. Subtraction of rational numbers is not associative. If a by b, c by d and e by f are three rational numbers, then a by b minus c by d under bracket minus e by f is not equal to a by b minus under bracket minus c by d minus e by f. It means it in as same as the commutative property. In commutative property, subtraction is being not done, same as in this property, associative property, subtraction is being not done. Example: 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2 under bracket minus 1 by 4 is not equal to 5 by 6 minus under bracket 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. We will first calculate the left hand side, that is 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2 under bracket minus 1 by 4. So we will take the LCM, that is 6, and after calculating all these I got the result of left hand side, that is 1 by 12, and after calculating the right hand side equation I got the result 7 by 12. And this proves that LHS is not equal to RHS, because LHS is equal to 1 by 12 and RHS is equal to 7 by 12. So after that we will talk about properties of multiplication of rational numbers. First property of multiplication of rational number is closure property. This property says that if a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is also a rational number. In this property, it means that if we will multiply a rational number with another rational number, then we will get a rational number only. Example: 4 by 5 into 10 by 9. We will get the result 40 by 45, and after reducing it I got the result 8 by 9, which is a standard form of rational number. The result we got is a rational number. So the second property of multiplication is commutative property of multiplication. If a by b, c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to c by d into a by b. This means that there is no problem. If we will change the position of the rational number, we will get the same result only. It means that LHS will equal to RHS only. We will see one example, that is 9 by 3 into 15 by 27 is equal to 15 by 27 into 9 by 3. After multiplying it, I got 1 by 35 equal to by 81. After reducing it, I got 15 by 9 is equal to 15 by 9. RHS is also 15 by 9, and LHS is also equal to 15 by 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. Third property is associative property. If A by B and C by D and E by F are three rational numbers, then A by B into C by D into E by F under bracket is equal to A by B into C by D under bracket into E by F. Example, 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 into 1 by 5 under bracket is equal to 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 under bracket into 1 by 5. After calculating it, I got the result, that is 3 by 40 as RHS and 3 by 40 only as LHS also. So the LHS is equal to RHS, proved. And fourth property of multiplication is multiplicative identity property. One is the multiplicative identity property of rational numbers. If we will multiply any number with 1, then we get back the rational number. There will be no change. If we will multiply any rational number with the multiplicative property, that is 1, we will get that rational number only. There will be no change. Example 5, a rational number into multiplicative identity, that is 1. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. You can take many other examples by yourselves to understand it in a good manner. Fifth property is multiplicative inverse property. If we will multiply a number with its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse, then the result will always be 1. As I have discussed earlier, that the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal means the opposite of the rational number. So if we will multiply a rational number with its reciprocal means its opposite, we will got result 1. Example, 5 by 3 into 3 by 5, we get 15 by 15, and after reducing it, I got result as 1. Sixth property of multiplication in rational number is distributive property. If A by B, C by D and E by F are any three rational numbers, then A by B into C by D plus E by F under bracket is equal to A by B into C by D plus A by B into E by F. Example, 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6 is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 into 5 by 6. So we will first calculate the left hand side equation, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So after calculating all these, I got 13 by 18 as answer. And now we will solve the left hand side equation, that is 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 into 5 by 6. So after calculating it, I got the result, that is 13 by 18. So LHS is equal to RHS. Both the LHS and RHS are equal. And now we will talk about properties of division of rational numbers. First property of division of rational number is closure property. If A by B and C by D are two rational numbers, then A by B divided C by D is always a rational number. If C by D is not equal to 0, this property says that if there are any two rational numbers, then if we will divide them, the result that we will get will also be a rational number. If C by D is not equal to 0, it should be anything but it should not equal to 0. One example is there, 2 by 3 divide 7 by 5. So we will do the division process, 2 by 3 and in reciprocal of 7 by 5, that is 5 by 7, and we got the result, that is 10 by 21, which is also a rational number. The second property of division in rational number is commutative property. Division is not commutative for rational numbers, that is a by b divide c by d is not equal to c by d divide a by b for any two rational numbers a by b and c by d. It means that division is not commutative for rational numbers. If we will change the position of any two rational numbers, then we will get different results. We will not get the similar result. So one example is there: 2 by 4 divide 4 by 9 isn't equal to 4 by 9 divide 2 by 4. So we will first solve the left hand side equation, that is 2 by 4 divide 4 by 9. So we will do the division process, that is 2 by 4 into reciprocal of 4 by 9, that is 9 by 4. So after calculating it, I got the result 9 by 8. LHS is equal to 9 by 8, and now we will solve the right hand side equation, that is 4 by 9 divide 2 by 4. So 4 by 9 into reciprocal of 2 by 4, that is 4 by 2, and I got the result 8 by 9 as my RHS result. So the RHS is not equal to RHS is not equal to LHS. Third property of division in rational number is associative property. Division is not associative for rational numbers, that is a by b divide c by d divide e by f under bracket is not equal to a by b divide c by d under bracket divide e by f. Example: 1 by 3 divide 2 by 9 divide 4 by 3 under bracket is not equal to 1 by 3 divide 2 by 9 under bracket divide 4 by 3. After calculating this all, after calculating the left hand side equation, I got the result, that is 2. And whereas after calculating the equation that is given in the right hand side, I got the result 9 by 8. So left LHS is not equal to RHS. So division is not being done in associative property and commutative property. Thank you so much. If you like the video, like, comment and share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.